ever wondered how to get the Robin's Lost Axe quest done? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. It's fairly simple actually. So it's really good if you want to get early game because it gives you a bit of gold to work towards farming. So first thing you want to do is come down here. Now I'm currently in my playthrough series. It's my first time playing the game, but I have managed to find it, and I thought, why not just do this for you guys real quick. You are going to have to break some stuff, right? The first thing is you want to come all the way down, right? These bushes, bro, I swear. All the way down till you get to here, this lake. Come straight down. Once you're here, you want to just kind of follow this bend and go right. Oh, I didn't even know there was a guy here. I'm gonna quickly just talk to him, just get the thing. You want to keep coming down and slowly come around this bend, right? Following this river, and you'll see this wood bridge. Come across this wood bridge, go back down, and then just keep going down, down, down. Prices are down, and keep following this right side, and there it is. That's how we get Robin's Lost Axe, and that's how you get the quest done. If you guys want any more tutorials, I'm sure I won't be doing any more. Nah, I don't know. But if you guys want any more tutorials, that's how. Just let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. But yeah, here's the Lost Axe. Kabang. Oh. Make sure you have inventory space. I don't need clay. Well, bang. There you go. You have found the Lost Axe. Better return it to Robin. So then all you gotta do is take it to Robin, and she lives just here at the carpenter shop. Go into town straight, and then just go all the way up, and you'll see the blue house there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. There's my tutorial for you guys. Once you're at her house and you've got the Lost Axe, just walk around and tap right click on her, or if your controller, whatever the button is, whilst holding it, and she'll go, hey, you found my axe, what a relief, I almost chopped my toe off with the other one I was using, thank you. And there you go. You've given her an axe, and then you'll get money as soon as you claim it. So that's how to do that full tutorial. There you go, guys. Catch you on the next one. Join in on my series, see how my first playthrough goes. And yeah, like and subscribe.